Hello everyone. Today I will show you on how you can track your music using Last.fm, also known as Scrobbling. First, open up your browser and go to Last.fm. Next, you need to create an account or log in. Since I already have an account, I can just log in. Next, you need to verify your email. Once you've done that, you can go to the bottom and press track my music. From here, you can select your streaming service, and I'm gonna choose Spotify for this example. You need to log into Spotify and press agree. Once that's done, you can go back to your profile and open up Spotify. Next, I'm gonna play something. I'm gonna choose it from my playlist. Just wait a moment. Um, okay, here. It's playing, and after a few moments, the program will detect that you're scrolling. I'm gonna refresh the page, and as you can see, it's scrolling right now, right here, and that is how you can scrabble music using Last.fm. You can also you can also generate top charts for you can also generate charts for your top artists, songs, and albums. That's it. Thank you.